Right, we are now at the metalisation line, which you can see behind us here. And I'm going to get Steve to talk us through the importance of this process, which is going to take place prior to plating. So Steve, explain what the metalisation process is as your boards are going through this line.
Yeah, okay, so after drilling, so the first thing we do is take the laminate, then we put our holes in it. The next process is to metalise it to make a plated through hole board. The key part for Jiva, to get Soluboard as an accepted material, was to find a metallisation process that works. So where we're standing today, at this metallisation process, is we're using a shadow process, which is a conductive colloid. And we have experimented with other brands, and we know that our material is compatible with most carbon-based metallisation processes, which is what this is.
So at the end of this process, that has essentially prepared the laminate ready to accept the plating process, yeah?
Yes, correct. So what it's done is it's put a conductive polymer inside the hole. It coats the whole board, then you micro-etch it, you take off the surface, and it leaves you a conductive polymer inside the hole, and it goes from here into imaging, and then out for copper plating, so you barrel plated in the hole.